Canadian armored vehicle manufacturer Roshel has recently provided an unprecedented glimpse into its production facilities, shedding light on the scale, sophistication, and operational capabilities of one of North America's most advanced defense suppliers. The company, headquartered in Ontario, operates more than 400,000 square feet of manufacturing space spanning multiple facilities in Canada and the United States, and employs a workforce of over 400 specialists across various disciplines. By opening its doors, even virtually, Roshel underscores its growing role as a pivotal supplier of armored platforms to military, law enforcement, and government agencies around the globe. At the core of Roshel's operations is a commitment to vertical integration, a manufacturing philosophy that allows the company to design, engineer, and assemble every component in-house. From welding and mechanical assemblies to automotive, electrical, and hydraulic systems, the entire production chain remains under direct control. This approach, according to company representatives, ensures that quality and performance are maintained at every stage, from raw materials to the final armored vehicle. It also allows Roshel to adapt quickly to the diverse needs of its clients, including commercial operators, cash-in-transit services, and defense organizations, providing customized solutions without the delays typically associated with outsourcing critical components. Roshel's production capacity is equally impressive. The company reports the ability to manufacture up to 140 vehicles per month, with an average turnaround time of less than 2 weeks. Such rapid output, combined with rigorous quality control, has positioned Roshel as one of the continent's most capable producers of armored vehicles. In 2024 alone, the Ontario plant produced 1,500 Senator armored personnel carriers, with roughly half destined for Ukraine under ongoing military assistance programs. Since 2022, more than 1,800 Roshel vehicles have been delivered to Ukrainian forces, where they are actively deployed for troop transport, medical evacuation, and logistics support in frontline environments. These deployments have not only proven the operational reliability of the vehicles but have also highlighted Roshel's strategic importance to allied nations facing real-world combat challenges. The Senator Armored Personnel Carrier, APC, and Roshel's mine-resistant ambush-protected, MRAP, vehicles form the backbone of the company's military offerings. Both platforms are designed to meet NATO STANAG 4569 protection standards, ensuring robust defense against ballistic threats, mines, and improvised explosive devices. Extensive testing in battlefield conditions has validated the durability and effectiveness of these vehicles, demonstrating that they can provide both mobility and protection in high-risk operational theaters. Company officials assert that these vehicles have become synonymous with reliability and survivability, particularly in complex conflict zones where civilian and military personnel require maximum protection without compromising operational flexibility. Beyond defense applications, Roshel's vehicles are engineered for versatility. The company's portfolio includes light armored personnel carriers, emergency response units, and medical evacuation platforms, each built to perform under extreme conditions. These vehicles undergo rigorous testing to ensure compliance with the highest industry standards and certifications. Whether deployed in active combat or for civilian security operations, Roshel emphasizes that its platforms are designed to save lives, protect personnel, and maintain operational readiness in unpredictable environments. The human element remains central to Roshel's approach. Company representatives stress that the expertise and dedication of their workforce are essential to the company's success. By investing significantly in employee training and development, Roshel ensures that its team possesses the skills required to implement complex engineering solutions, integrate advanced systems, and maintain high production standards. This emphasis on human capital not only strengthens the company's innovation capabilities but also enables Roshel to produce industry-unique products that stand out in a crowded and competitive market. The recent video footage released by Roshel highlights not only the company's technical capabilities but also its commitment to innovation and process optimization. Observers are provided with a rare look at the assembly lines, robotic welding systems, and mechanical workshops that form the backbone of the company's vertically integrated operations. Every vehicle component is designed with precision, reflecting a philosophy that values quality over shortcuts, while still allowing the company to meet increasing demand for tactical and armored vehicles worldwide. The integration of multiple manufacturing disciplines under one roof also allows for faster prototyping and testing, ensuring that new models and upgrades can be implemented quickly without sacrificing reliability. Roshel's expansion and prominence in the global defense market reflect broader trends in security and military procurement. Rising geopolitical tensions, evolving security threats, and ongoing conflicts have driven demand for armored vehicles capable of performing in diverse operational environments. From urban law enforcement operations to high-intensity battlefield scenarios, the need for reliable, mobile, and well-protected platforms has never been greater. Roshel's ability to deliver advanced, certified vehicles at speed positions it as a critical partner for countries and agencies seeking to modernize their fleets and ensure the safety of their personnel. The company also emphasizes sustainability in its operations, noting that careful planning, streamlined production processes, and a focus on reducing inefficiencies contribute to both environmental responsibility and operational efficiency. By consolidating production and maintaining control over every aspect of the manufacturing process, Roshel can minimize waste, optimize material use, and maintain consistent quality standards, demonstrating that high-performance defense manufacturing and responsible industrial practices can coexist. Looking forward, Roshel's trajectory suggests continued growth and influence in both military and civilian markets. As threats evolve and operational requirements become more complex, the demand for versatile, reliable, and well-protected vehicles is expected to rise. Roshel's vertically integrated production model, combined with a skilled workforce and proven platform designs, provides the company with a significant competitive advantage. Allied nations, security agencies, and commercial operators are likely to continue turning to Roshel for solutions that combine advanced technology, operational reliability, and rapid delivery. The company's recent exposure of its production facilities is more than a marketing exercise, it is a statement of capability, transparency, and strategic relevance. By demonstrating the scale, precision, and depth of its operations, Roshel positions itself as a trusted partner capable of responding to global defense and security needs with agility and reliability. For observers and potential clients alike, the footage provides tangible proof that the company is not only building vehicles but is also cultivating a robust ecosystem of innovation, expertise, and production excellence. In conclusion, Roshel's recent revelations offer insight into a company that has become a cornerstone of modern armored vehicle production in North America. With a commitment to vertical integration, rapid production, and high-quality standards, the company continues to expand its footprint in both military and commercial markets. Its vehicles, deployed in some of the most challenging environments in the world, demonstrate reliability, protection, and performance, while the company's investment in its workforce ensures ongoing innovation and industry leadership. As global demand for armored solutions continues to grow, Roshel stands ready to meet these challenges, combining technological sophistication, operational flexibility, and a clear focus on safety and excellence.